Yeah, okay, Martin. The recording is running. So, uh, yeah, maybe you could talk a little bit why is it helpful in these challenging times to come to the workshop Driftology? What is it all about? And maybe also some ideas about the core elements.
We are inviting people to come for the Driftology workshop purely because this is the right moment. This is the moment for which Driftology as a concept and practice was created. We as a global community, but also as families, organizations, and individuals have been drifting like in no other time before. And when you are drifting, you are in control of a very little portion. How do you ensure that even in such moments, things turn out for the better, that you still succeed anyway, that you are still effective anyway? Driftology, a 3-day workshop, allows you to acquire the tools, the mindset, and the practices you need to ride the storm. We are currently living in a storm like no other before.